Well, we got another package. Alright, I'll go check it out. Let's see what we got here. Oh, okay. Welcome back, everybody. Looks like we got another unboxing or unbagging video for you today. This one is from ArmyandOutdoors. .com. They're out of New Zealand, but they do deliver internationally via DHL. So once it clears customs, it ships fairly quickly. So let's get into it. I've already taken the manifest, which was on the outside of the package, just so you know. Let's go ahead and open this. I've already started opening it just to make it a little bit easier. And this is just a mishmash of items. We'll try to go through in no particular order. Wow. Okay. This appears to be a German Navy sailor shirt. So let's see here. Let's see the label. Wow, sleeves are folded. Nice. Let's see the buttons. Very nice. Shiny. Nothing on the shoulders. Nothing on these shoulders. And again, button down there. Very nice. Let's check here. Oh, and basically open collar. Looks like there was something written right there. Probably country of origin. And we do have that on the back. Interesting. So no pockets. And a little bit of a wider collar area. And a V-neck. So let's set that aside carefully. Next item is a German Bundesmarine shirt. So showing the label there. Let's make sure there's nothing else on the inside. This other one real quick. Sorry. Doesn't appear. No. If we go back to here, sorry, revisiting this shirt. There is a care tag. Oh, look at that. Materials. And care instructions. Alright. Going back to this one. We do have those on the shoulders. Flag on this shoulder. Flag on this shoulder. No pockets on the sleeves. Looks like we have double breasted pockets. Left and right, nothing on the lowers. The hemline is straight all the way around, so there is no tapering. It's flat all around. We got clear buttons, and collar is fairly stiff. Yep, there are stiffeners at the ends. Checking the other one. No. The other shirt is soft collared. And let me see if I can see anything real quick on the inside. Yeah, we do have a care label. See that. Alright, moving along. Might be easier if I take the smaller items up first before I try to wrestle up the larger item. Okay, this appears to be French F2 Camo jacket. So we got, this looks like a sizing label there, nothing else. Velcro on this side for name, a zipper pocket, 2 zipper pockets, rank Velcro, nothing on the lowers. Slide elastic on that side and this side. No back pockets. You can see the seam pattern there. These are on the shoulders. Nothing else on the sleeves. Slightly worn, but green enameled snaps. Multiple positions on the sleeve ends. Let's even get this open real quick. How are these fastened? Big buttons. Okay, he's having a problem there. There we go. I can do it. Yeah, buttons. Last one is a little bit tight. That's the way the coat brings it. And Velcro at the bottom. Okay. So that's how they're attached. Not reinforced much on the back. Interior. That's just the flap of the pocket. No other labels. So I guess get this. I know about F2. Not a lot. I guess it's similar to the US M81 Woodland pattern, and this is also known as Centre Europe CE. So let's see what else we got. There's something here. Okay, looks like an OzCam helmet cover. What style? Don't know. Let's see, it's kind of a bright Auscam. I don't know if I can get better light on it here. So Auscam is actually a nickname. I guess it's Australian Disruptive Camouflage Pattern, DCP. It's a khaki background, which you can see right there, with oranges. Well, the orange isn't that bright on here. But you can see the orange there, brown there, dark olives, yes, and then a limeish green. So I've actually seen more brighter tones of all these colors in different patterns. This is more subdued, which is kind of nice for a helmet. It actually makes more sense. On the interior, I don't see any labeling. So that's all for that one. I guess Velcro straps for attaching inside liner points, or if you have Velcro attachments inside your helmet. Rig it that way. And this appears to be a Boonie hat. This one is British Army MTP Boonie hat. It looks like it has a neck flap with it. Neat. So let's see what we got here. Get that in view. I'll read it. Hat Combat Tropical Multi-Terrain Pattern. Number, size, contract number, no name or number filled out. And material care instructions. Got drawstring through these loops. They are knotted off already. And we do have a cincher there with a stop. Nice. That's a nice feature right there to keep that from falling off. Let's see, typical soft on the top. This is pretty wide brimmed. And then we got the flap, which is patterned on both sides, stitched together. There's one more small label here. So, let's see if it lines up with the contract number. No, it doesn't. Okay, set that aside. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so this, interesting, has a name on it. Sir or ma'am, I have your hat. Okay, looks like this used to have the possible neck flap and drawstring. There is some oxidation on the loop points, so string could be added back later, I guess. This one is a Special Forces Desert DPM hat. So kind of the giggle style with the shorter cut brim. We got stitching for name. Again, it's a little bit shorter here. You can see the vents are actually below the loop points. Inside, no label. See the reverse of the stitching effect. And yeah, this is pretty no frills otherwise. Oh, there's our label. It looks like it's has some wash wear or just wear in general. Oh, I see what happened. This has been modified, I think, because this is stitched down right there. So, yeah. This has been modified, I think. Neat. Field modification, possibly. Unless it was special ordered that way. And they went ahead and stitched this down, because this is definitely stitched over to tighten that down. It's a little bit hard to read. Neat stuff. Alright, I think we're down to our last item here. Last but not least, here, jingle jangle. This is a German combat rain camo pack. So it's not very big. It's kind of like a day pack, and it does expand out. It's rubberized on the inside. The flap is a different type of protective material. You can see the separation there. Back there, another type of material as well. And then that pattern, the buckles, the stitch points, straps, kind of a tacky feel to them. So oh, look at that, NVA. Nothing on this side, buckles, so that's what going like that. Strap, and then we got the rig itself, it looks like. Oh, interesting. These look very familiar. I actually have another set of these. I was seen in a different unboxing video. Now I have another set. We're going to have to figure out how to rig this up. But that's all I got. Again, this came from ArmyandOutdoors.com out of New Zealand, so feel free to check them out. They always have a lot of stuff coming in and out. Variety of sizes, so you can always get them when you can. And thanks for watching.